adventure seekers. 496 inches of meanness. That thing will get you where you need to go in a hurry. The battle of the beast. Way to get where you got to go. That's the way to get donuts, folks. Rumble in the jungle. Hi, caramba is all I can say. Hi, caramba. Those are some donut getters, boys. Yay! They work. And they work well. Right, December 29th. Orcutt Donut, Derelicts, Loopers, 84. That paint job, gotta get a picture. Smile for the camera, donut boy. Alright, adventure seekers. December 29th. Orcutt, famous car show, Donut Derelicts, Corner Carson Bradley. Every Sunday morning. Bring what you got, we want to see it. Motorcycle, bicycle, car, we don't care. Truck. Enters free. Giveaways at 10. Hey, we got Idas. Car, 1937. Business coupe. Built from the ground up. My husband Ray. He means business. 350 stroker. Built from the ground up. 68 Camaro. Built by Ray. Ford. Dangerous looking Ford. Right. Little 350. El Camino action. Got the street racing boys. Their Subaru. Toyotas. Oh, what a nice one. Oh, beautiful. This happens to be for sale. Could be yours. Could be sitting in your driveway for the right price. All it takes, a little bit of cashola. Get the number there. Give them a call.
Yeah, still proud of the motor, you ain't seen it.
That's right. All right, one of my famous rides. Oh no, you got dirt on it. It's not good. A bit wet out here today, folks. The hardcores do not mind. Beautiful ride. Hear that? Love that exposed engine road. All right, this is a 70 mile an hour or an 80 mile. Oh, it's changed again. Every time I see it, you've changed this bike. You just love to play with this thing, don't you? Hey, you cleaned it up good too. What?
85 now.
85 now? Oh, dude. Oh, ethanol. You're the man. VW bus. Enough windows on that thing to pretend to be a skyscraper. It's even got the air conditioning on. VW truck. Totally classical. Oh, there's a serious adventure seeker. Ready to sling some mud. KTM. Take me with ya. Hi. As you heard, the big block boys. And 500 cubic inches of crazy meanness. Another rock front ready mobile. You've got the doggy alarm system ready. Love those tires and rims on this thing. Cool winch to get you out of those situations you don't need to be in. I like that. That's a fun car. All right, 350 cubic inch El Camino. That seriously cool 1956 Chevy Impala. Beautiful red on that thing, convertible. Totally restored. Man, this is awesome. Money, money, money. Dude, that Impala is awesome. All right, what we got over here? Need a one-of-a-kind machine, you need a friend, get yourself a little amigo. A little amigo will get you where you want to go. It's a friendly little car. A Dodge Favorite rims and tires on this thing. Beauty. 2015 Slingshot SL. Get you where you need to go in style. They're good looking old school Ford. Liking it. 1939 Met Axle Special. Beautiful looking El Camino. Kinda like that. Love the color, love the stripes. And it's always looking immaculate on this thing. Digging it. Hey, starting to get up. 1959 Ford F100, totally customized, built from the ground up. Another custom Chevy 20, built from the ground up too. Raspberry creamsicle. Looks like it's modified the intake there too. Got a little bit meaner. What else we got down here? No Caminos are out today. That green GT Cobra. Wow, totally modified. GTO Green Machine. That's a cool looking El Camino. One of a kind. 49 school bus. Gives you some lessons with this. The Louise 47 Chevy Action Casper Mobile. Beautiful red 53 Ford F100. Love the color. This draggers. Even got ourselves a little swap meet action going on here today. Alright, this is one beautiful looking ride right here too. Liking it. Sounded mean. LS3 SS. Nice. No wonder it sounded so good. Mercury Cougar action. The Cougar. Lined up, ready for some cruise and action. Sweet patina machine, Chevys. Looking good. Not messing around. You gotta cruise in style. Loopers paint job, can't be beat. A beautiful ride. Got them all off today. Little Buick action. The Fleetmaster convertible. Gotta like that. Raccoon tail and everything. The interior's done up right. Sweet. 48. What else we got going on here? Beautiful Chevy truck. Love this thing. Nice looking color. Root beer brown action. Like this. Chevy Impala 1956. Orange and white. Bel Air. Looks like the interior is done up nicely as well. Nice 300 station wagon. Beautiful blue. Love the way they modified that rear window. 2-to-1. Makes it look a lot better. Nice. Malibu SS action. Sounded nice. Rolled on in. One of my favorites, the Studa Shaker. The Commander. Gotta like that. Always sounds good. Alright. See too many Volkswagen diesels like this. Lowered. Yellow. Stuck in interior. Stuck in rims and tires. Radical looking machine. I'll tell you that. Keep it cruising in. At the 1915. Not messing around. Alright. Wind it up and it'll get you where you need to go. in. Sweet looking ride. Get you where you need to go. Serious hurry. A little close-up action of these things. Up the intake on that thing. Beautiful Harleys. Rolling on in. Ready for their Sunday. The light. Christian Car Club. Harley boy. Contact them if you have a Harley and you want to cruise. Harley better look nice. These beauties. Alright, see what else we got. Alright, cruising on in with the pooch. The pampered pooch. Alright, so cruising on in, adventure seekers. A little bit of cold, the fog ain't keeping them away. Closer view. Beautiful looking Chevy Impala. Interior's nicely done. Ready to go. Okay, look bigger. Return. New Year's Day, Booster Park. At the car show. Don't miss it. Alright, pretty good turnout here today. Still rolling on in. And with cool looking BMW. Favorite Corvettes. Man, spanking new. Woo. The beauty of a machine. That Felix Chevrolet Los Angeles. Low and slow convertible. A nice looking ride. If you got $150,000 extra, get yourself a Land Rover. Good looking Harleys. Getting nice. All right, the Patina Ranger. Like this old school Ford. Drive around, cool, but still get some work done. Nicely restored engine. Get the job done and get the work done at the same time. The Ranger. Another good looking ride. Sounded mean. Came in. Love the color. Didn't see it very much. It's a nice one. Dodge Mopar action. Got Volvo, Santa Barbara Volvo action. A little close up this 59 Ford F100. Built from the ground up. Oh, it's capped in black. Little ship gray with the red. Good looking truck. Good looking Chevy truck. Hold on in. Got the rims and tires. Get it up right. Rock front ready. Alright, what else we got? Snuck in little 380 SL Mercedes. Convertible Beamer. Like that. On the car to that. Pontiac action. Whatever you like. Probably got them here, so get your stuff on down. Corner of Clark and Bradley. Every Sunday. Get Donut, Derelicts, doing up right. Bel Air. 56. Chevy. We're good. We're on the floor. Right, adventure seekers. Make 10. Bring what you got. We want to see it. Porsche action. Ford. Got them all. 1535. El Camino. Old school Ford. Alright. Bring what you got. We want to see it. Enter to win. Free to enter. Somebody's prizes.
Hello, everybody.
Donut getter. All right. beautiful. Love the blue. Love the tires. Look at that. There's nice stands to it. Rock front, ready on this baby. This is where you need to go. Climb a mountain with this one.